Good afternoon. Welcome, welcome. Welcome. Sorry for the delay. We were just enjoying the finance minister's speech. So we'll just start in 30 seconds. Huh? Yeah. If you want to write your questions on the chat. Yes, now is the voice clear, right? Okay. If you can write your questions, please. What is the question you're looking for? How will the stimulus package be taken by the stock market? Okay. Vedanta delisting theory details. Any allocation specified by FM? How to apply options, Nifty, Bank Nifty, options and charts. Sectors to focus on. More on specific topic. Any advice for gold MF in portfolio? Tomorrow's BNF strategy. What is BNF, Mr. Saumil Shah? Huh, Vikas?
Bank Nifty future, I think.
It's a Bank Nifty future. Are you there, Vikas, already? Should I convert you?
Add me as a panelist.
One second.
Last. Yes. Now okay.
How can we choose stock for swing trading? We don't teach swing trading, Santoshji. Unfortunately, we don't teach swing trading. What stocks to do well now? Okay. Are you tracking IOL Chemical? Last 3 sessions, 52-week high. How can I pick momentum stock pick? Where is Nifty headed? Okay, so let's start, Vikash.
Yes. So I have some highlights of Sitaraman's speech. Would you like to start with that?
No, it's let's come to Nifty only.
Okay.
Okay, let's discuss about the finance package.
Okay.
So 20 lakh crore is about $250 billion. That's a big amount. That's a very, very big amount. So this is some of the highlights, because yesterday the Prime Minister just gave us the idea. The speech is still on, right? I came between. The speech
The speech is
still on, so we do not know the full details, but just these are some of the details, which is the first 40 minutes, right? Because says emergency credit line to small medium businesses from banks up to 20% of entire outstanding credit. Okay. Government of funded guarantee over bank cover to banks NBFC on principal interest under new scheme. On principal interest under new scheme. India Finance Ministry, no guarantee fee collateral for fresh loans under scheme. Free loans up to 3 lakh for MSMEs. India Finance says global tender to be disallowed up to 2 billion rupees. We will come before you with team to put forth PM's vision. India Finance says will announce measures. on which 6 will be for small businesses. Focus on ease of doing business, ease of compliance and regulation.
There is
So,
next also.
one second, go back.
Okay.
So one of the most interesting things, if you can read here, is the second point. To offer 100% credit guarantee cover to banks, NBFC on principal interest under new scheme. Okay. So basically, that's a good thing. So if you can see the chart of banks and NBFC, can you show the chart of Bajaj Finance?
Yeah.
So NBFC was very deeply hit as a sector. If you see one of the top stocks in the last 5-6 years was Bajaj Finance, and there was a big hit there on the prices. So this is the daily chart, right? Can you put the daily chart?
Yes. Yeah.
So
Daily chart.
Huge. This is one of the strongest companies, in the last few years. One of the top performing shares in the last few years, Bajaj Finance. Okay. 40% sales growth, 40% EPS growth, profit growth, continues quarter and quarter, from the last 5 years. It's amazing how this company has performed. Okay. So one of this share from 5,000 was beaten to about 2,000, about 1,900 rupees. So we are seeing a jump in the share. Yesterday, if you see, the low was
in 77.
And today it moved to.
This went high of 2232.
Okay, so it is already moved about 200 points. And if you see from the last few days, it is in the same range. So this is, some people ask me, this has been one of my favorite stocks. Okay, very, very favorite stock. And the way the finance ministries have guaranteed many things, we have to first understand more details because the news are more coming in. It's very difficult to, yesterday we understand the package is there. So see, you have to understand whenever the package is given, thank you. Whenever the package is given, there is a huge boost, temporary boost which comes. So I received a mail also in the today. I'll just send it, Vikash, if we can show it to everyone.
Yes.
If I can find out. I'm sending for everyone so that everybody will get an idea. Just a second, just sending for everyone. I just received it now. When you receive, there are so many messages. So I may have missed it, but it will be very interesting for everyone. Sorry, I don't want to waste the time. I'm not able to see it. But basically, I'll just tell you what was it about. There are about 15 economies, and in the last few days, how much stimulus they have given in the market. So I was calculating, I think so more than 8 to 10 trillion dollars of stimulus has been given by different countries. 5 trillion is only given by US. So right now, so much of money is being pumped in. Can you imagine the amount to support the economy if you put so much of money? So obviously, everybody is able to survive. Now, if this money goes, obviously the NBFCs, there will be a huge confidence measure. Okay, so because so many companies, so many countries rather, not companies, countries have given stimulus. Yeah, this one. Yeah. From where did you get this?
Yeah, from message only.
Okay. Can you show that? Yeah. Thank you.
Yeah.
Who had sent this, Vikas?
Praveen ji.
Okay, so if you see stimulus packages, compare Japan, US, Sweden, no, I don't expect. That is why I'll share the thing. So if you see, all have given packages of the GDP. Okay. So if you see the combined GDP of these companies, I think so we have given a package of more than 10 trillion dollars. So much of money is being pumped in because everybody realizes that there is no business. The complete sales down is there. And they are scared if you don't give the money, how will they repay the loans? That's why the Indian government is guaranteeing, because they know that many NBFCs and banks will have a huge NPA. Okay, so they're already supporting. So government is asking money for PM CARES. Okay. Let's focus. I know, we didn't know the timing. We had announced the session at 4:30 and Nirmala Sitharam came at 4. We didn't know. So, is it okay? Because you can see the TV and you can listen to me both if you want to do it. Is it okay if I continue? Is it okay? Because the timing came at the same time. We didn't plan because we had already marketed it for 1 week. They decided 4 o'clock today. Is it okay? Shall we continue? Okay, thank you. Okay, so basically the amount of money pumped in is so high, so that is keeping the market up. Now, if you see the stock market, very, very interesting. Can you show them the chart of US, Japan, different countries? US, Japan. If you see after all the stimulus, can you put US chart, please?
US, Japan, Hong Kong, Hang Seng also.
Yeah. So if you see from, can you show? बहुत complicated लग रहा है. Can you just show? Yeah, okay.
One by one.
Charts. US, where is it?
Yeah, this is US.
Yeah. This is better. This is slightly better. If you see from the last so many days, the market made a high. It is in the same range. If you see. So when was this? When did this make a high? This. This 3 inside up is coming. What is that? Can you remove this?
Yeah. I'm just making it bigger.
Better. So if you see the market, it made a high now from the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. From the last 17 days, the market has not made a high. It's in the same range. Okay, if you see Nifty also, I'll show you. Can you show Nifty also? Very similar chart. So despite of being money pumped in, if you see the chart,
25 days.
So 25 days, the market is very similar. It only went up 1 day and again fell. For 25 days, the market is in a range. Okay. So we have to check what happens to the market. Can it go above this area? Because all the stimulus started during this time. Many stimuluses by different countries was given. So obviously when you give pump in so much of money, like yesterday the money was pumped in, we saw SGX Nifty going up. Okay. But the reality is that the companies are closed. Is 250 billion will be able to halt a lockdown? Lockdown is a big issue. Companies are completely closed, right? So that effect is also will be seen. So obviously, this is a very good measure by the Indian government. So this will give some confidence now that we will not have bankruptcies. They are already supporting. I think so. They are slightly late compared to other countries, but that's a good point that we are already supporting. So if we keep supporting like this, maybe one or two more stimulus will be required, then we might be sure that the market might not go down below 7,500. And that is going to be a big relief for us. Very big relief for us. Yesterday also when the market up, today after such a big news, the market was down by 200 points. Yesterday Nifty made a high of 9,680 and today the market closed at 9,400. And today high was also 9,580. Okay, and the market closed down. So obviously at the high price, people are exiting, smartly exiting their stocks. See, during this time, the fund managers did not get a time to exit. It was such a shock for everyone that even the fund manager could not exit. Now, if they've taken the market up, and from the last 16, 70 days, what I'm seeing is they are slowly and gradually, exiting. This is, and how do we know we are exiting? So I'll show you the data of Nifty. Can you show them the data of Nifty open interest?
Yes.
So this is the data of Nifty open interest. So this is a very important data, which we take it from NSE, right? So this is the data. So the NSE every day releases the data in F2 and Pro, and they release the data of clients. Okay, would you like to see from where do we get this data? Are you interested? Would you like to see from where do we get this data? Are you interested? Yes, okay. So we'll show you from where do we get this data. PPT, just open the PPT.
Yes.
It's very interesting. Huh? Keep your pen. If you know Excel, you can keep your open thing. So basically every day NSE releases the data of 4 people. Okay, so one is they release the data for F2. F2 are foreign institution investors. Okay, they are the intelligent who runs the trend of Nifty. What they do is they run the trend of Nifty. That is what they do. Okay, and then you have the pro customers. You have the pro customers who are proprietors who run the arbitrage houses. So basically these 2 people, they make a lot of money in the Nifty trading, in the derivative trading. Okay. Then you have the domestic institutions who can only hedge. They don't move the market. And the general public and the client, they are always losing money. How many people trade Nifty in this group? We have 192 people. How many do Nifty derivative or option trading, Nifty futures and Nifty derivative trading? Can you say yes? 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't say no, please. I don't want the no. I just want the yes. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. I request everybody just put, so I'll get an idea how many people actually trade in Nifty, because this will really help them. or how many people are also interested, so that you get the direction of the market? Because people keep asking me, what is the direction of the market? What will Nifty do? By understanding the next 30-35 minutes, you will learn something very, very important. Okay, wow, we have more than, but this is very important because next few months, because we are into a COVID situation, the next few months, Nifty is very, very important. Okay. So so many are interested, more than, I think so we have a lot of people who are interested. So basically we'll repeat it. Mrinal, you were there. So it is okay if I repeat it for you. You were there yesterday also. Mrinal Kanti Datta, right? He was there yesterday also, right? Is it okay, Mrinal Kanti Datta, if I repeat this for? Okay. So we have about 40 people, 50 people who are either trading or really interested. Rest, I really request you, please pay attention, because I'm going to share a very important research with you, which will help you. So these 4 data is released by NSE every day. Okay. Now let's go to next slide, please, Vikas.
Yes.
So please take a picture of this slide. From where do you get this data? Please take a picture of this slide, please. From where do you get this data? Please click a picture. Have you clicked a picture of this? So this is the data. Now I'll take you quickly to NSE and show you where we get this data from.
Yes. We'll go to NSE India. Then we'll go to product. In product, we'll select equity derivatives. Just click on equity derivatives. Then we will go to historical data. We will scroll down and come to historical data. When we click historical data, there is archives of daily report. In historical data, there is archives of daily report. We have to click on search. We'll get a drop down box. In this drop down box, you have to select 4th last option, participant wise open interest. Participant wise open interest. And we'll select yesterday's date, which is 13th May. Sorry, 12th May, sorry. 12th May, and we'll open a file. We have to download the CSV data.
So you will get the entire data. If you see on the left side, you have D2, F2 Pro. Okay. So what we have seen is the direction works with option trading. So we will remove the futures. We will remove these 4. And also we'll remove. We'll only keep the option index, because right now option index is controlling the trend. Now what we are going to do is, I don't know if many people may not know, but call long is Teji, put long is Mandi, call short is Mandi, and put short is Teji. So we'll do the net. Now please take a note of this figure, because this is the figure we show on the app every day. So you don't have to calculate the data. This data is available. If you become a paid customer, you will get this data. So I highly recommend at least buy this strategy, which will give you the perspective of the market for the next few months. This data is actually showing sell. Okay. So we'll show it to you. The data is showing that the market will fall. So because of these things, and today actually the market, so we'll show it to you. So please see this data. Net, that means client is plus and all the intelligent investors are minus. Okay, please click this figure and please click these two. What we have done is we have combined F2 and Pro, which is this figure. Yeah. So can you show that figure? Yeah. So basically keep a note. Can you write down F2 and Pro is 124,618. Can you please write down, please? Can you please write down minus 124,618 and client is 181,484 plus. Can you please do these two? Very, very important. Okay. Now, please remember, if I go to the app now, if you take our app or the website,
Yeah.
we have a website and app, both can run. So if you are interested in the website or the app, both are running. So you can see this same figure. Can you see 181,484 and 124,618? 124,618. Now, please remember, I hope everybody knows. I hope people, especially people who are interested and who do trading. Okay, so we are teaching you, Guru Prasad ji. We'll teach you, we'll share. Then we can also tell you to ask a question. We'll tell you. That is what we are sharing, Mr. Guru Prasad. So basically, I hope everybody knows, especially people who are trading Nifty, that we have a 1 month clearing. So we have 191 people. You should know Nifty is cleared in within 1 month. So it starts on the last Friday of every month and ends on a Thursday. It starts on a last Friday of every month and ends on a Thursday, right? So Thursday, when the period ended, the position was 10,217 contract. So can you see these two? So what you need to do is, you need to put 10,217. You have to put 65,050. So we are pasting these two figures, because this is when the clearing started. Put it on the Excel. So when the clearing started, this was the figure, and this is the current figure. Please put the current figures. May 13th, yeah. Current 13th May, put 13th May only. This one, 124,618, yeah. And 181, yeah. Again, I'll just go back so you'll understand from where we have taken these two figures. Go back, Vikas.
Yeah.
Go back.
Yes.
In the app, in the website. You can to see this figure and you can see this figure. Okay, because these figures have changed now. So you will only see 30th April and you will see the current date. So today when the data will come, you will see 30th April and 13th May. That's it. So that is, you will know what is happening. Okay, now please go to the thing.
Yeah. Yes.
करो नीचे करो बेटा.
Okay.
ओके, जो ऊपर लिखो F2 Pro 10,217 के ऊपर F2 Pro लिखो. And ये client. Now this is the data. वो F2 Pro ऊपर वाला थोड़ा हटा दे, कंफ्यूज हो जाएगा हम लोग थोड़ा सा. उसको येलो वाला को थोड़ा सा शिफ्ट कर दे वहां से. कर दे तो बेटर है. डिलीट ही कर दे तो. हाँ. Can you see this figure now? Now, who can tell me this was the position on 30th April, and they have created a position of 1,14,000 contracts. Okay, 1,14,000 contract. Each contract is worth 7.5 lakh rupees. How much is each contract worth? 7,05,000 contracts into 7.5 lakh rupees. 7 lakh. So 7,05,000.
Yes.
So basically, if you see, they have created a can you put into money here? Into crores. I'll put into crores. They have created a short position of a Nifty of 8,000 crores. This was till yesterday. So obviously, if they have sold, clients will buy. Can you show clients?
Yes.
So client, so what is going to happen to the market? F2 and Pro, they have sold in the last, from 30th April to 13th May, the net position is 8,600, and client, this was till yesterday, and night Mr. Modi came. Even after that, the market fell today. They opened a gap down and they sold the market. So what do you think? So we have to keep watch on the data today. What is the data today, which is going to be very interesting. Okay, so Yogpal has written market fall. What about others? What do you think was going to happen? So I highly recommend that you should know this data, because once you know this data, you can actually decide. You can actually decide the direction of the market. So this is how we take a decision. Please, and again, how many people want me to repeat this so that you have a clear understanding now? How many people want to repeat? How many people want me to repeat this? Please repeat. Parthiv Solanki. Okay, repeat. Okay, many people repeat. So okay, I'll repeat it again for everybody. Let's start from day one. Let's start. So this data is available. I'll repeat again. Okay, go back.
Go back to NSE.
No, go back to PPT. Go back to
PPT.
Yeah. So basically, what we are trying to say is that NSE releases Nifty options data of F2, Pro, D2 and clients, right? So everybody wants to know what is the actual position. So this is the open interest data, my friend. What is an open interest data? An open interest data, okay, why client buys if if F2 and Pro are selling, okay, because they always are opposite to the market. That's why there are so many public, they think that the market will go up and they're continuously buying. That's why they do that. So there are four data which comes. There are four data which comes every day. One is F2, who are the intelligent people who always make money. Pro, who makes money. D2 is not important because they can only hedge. And clients are always losing money. I'm sure people who are here who are trading, you must have realized that why do you lose money? Because you don't follow the open interest position. What is open interest? Open interest is the position which is not squared off. So if you are a derivative trader, you can keep the position for a month. You can buy on Friday, last Friday, and you can keep it. No, it is not available. For stock wise, it is not available. They don't give stock wise. Then everything will be revealed. They only do for index. They don't release stock wise. Okay. So can you see what they are doing here? So they are taking this data. Next slide, Vikas.
Yes.
Yes, so this kind of data is available every day. So if you have taken the picture of this, please take a picture of this again. I'm repeating for everyone, take a picture so you know from where you can get the data from. Now, if you go to the nsindia.com, I'll take you to the nsindia.com now. So I'm doing same thing. I'm going to products, the picture which you took, I'm going to products, equity derivatives, historical data. If you know Excel, or if your son knows Excel, or if your people, anybody in office know Excel, try to make this data every day and study so that you know what is going to happen to Nifty. So you will not be dependent on anyone. Yeah, go to archives of daily reports and put yesterday's date and put participant wise open interest. If people don't know what is an open interest, study an open interest of what is a derivative market, what is open interest for Nifty. So there are 192 people, try to study this. This is very, very important. Put some energy to learn this. This will help you intelligently to trade in Nifty. Okay? Get data. Yeah, okay, okay. Vikas, go ahead.
Yeah, so we'll remove.
You can't see.
Oh, sorry. Yeah.
So this data is there with us. We will remove future that we have got. We have already done the research for 5 years. So if this data is available with everyone, what we have done is we have spent 5 years researching about the data. So we see only option index works. Again, I'm telling you, why does only option index work? If our PPT dikhate that 1:50 times.
Okay.
Why option index work? Iske pehle wala slide. Previous slide, yeah. Index works because right now if you see futures turnover and options contract turnover 49 times. Options turnover is 49 times bigger than futures. Can you see the figure? This is in crores. Okay, that is why option data, index option data controls the direction of Nifty, whether Nifty will go up or whether Nifty will go down. Anil Kumar, can you please help browsing NSE site to get historical data again? Can you just quickly show me again for Anil Kumar? Last time, please see it. I've shown it twice. So I hope you can learn this. Can you go to the website again?
Yes.
Again, I'm showing to you. Third time to everybody, 195 people, please learn this. It's a 5-year research what I'm showing to you. Yeah, quickly. Products, equity derivative. You click. You go to historical data. Click. Archives of daily report. Click. No, Mr. Jain, it helps you to get the direction of the market. If you know the direction, then only you can, your support resistance will help you. And then go to participant wise open interest. Did you get Mr. Anil Kumar? This is the third time I'm showing you. Cannot share more because there are a lot of people now. So this data is available every day. At about 6:37 or 8 o'clock, this data is available for everyone, free of cost. Yeah, I'm not the only one who can get the data. Okay, go back.
Yes.
So once you get the data, no, you don't get stockwise. Again, I'm repeating, please don't ask Mr. Lata Ghosh and everybody. This data is only What are the different data? Can you just show data क्या क्या available है? But दिखा दो पूरा.
What are the?
चारों 12 line दिखा दो.
Okay.
No, not weekly. Wait for the entire strategy, Rajesh ji. Wait for the entire strategy. How do you use the data? Can you show the entire?
Yeah.
Again, I'm repeating for everyone. क्या हो गया? This is what is available. Future. थोड़ा इसको ठीक कर दे इसका. Future index is available. Option index is available, and all the stock. If you see, stock put is available. So
Combined stock.
Index future is available, and all combined. They don't give individual. Again, I'm repeating. They don't give individual. This is very different. This is very different. Again, I'm telling you, Mr. Lata Ghosh, what you are learning it is not being taught in Z business. So what we have, again, I'm telling you what not to see. I am deleting future index. Delete these two first only. It doesn't work. We have tested it. I am deleting stock, all stock data also, because it doesn't work. What we have back tested is, it is only the option index works. Any other data, if you try to use it for trading, you will lose money. So please, I am creating a disclaimer that, this is working to get the direction of the market. Is it clear to everyone? Can I get a yes? Only see option index data. I'm going very slow. I'm going very, very step by step. All other data, please, I have researched it. You can do it yourself, but it doesn't work. What works is this, right? Now, people who do not understand call long, call put long, you have to learn. So call long means teji. Again, do it.
Yeah.
I'm doing it quickly.
Yeah.
Put long is mandi. Call short is mandi. And put short is teji. So what we are doing is, we will make the net one. What is the net bought and by the customer? What is the open today? So yesterday evening, this was the open, and this has to be 0 because somebody buys and somebody sells. So this is the data. Okay. Now what we do is, in our app, what we show is, we don't show a D2 to you, because if you see, they don't take much position. Their position is usually same. So because their position is same, we don't show you D2. We only show you client, because they are always losing money. They're always against the market. Today, all clients are buying and the market went down because they don't see the data. And if you see, F2 Pro are always making money. So we will combine these two. 54 and 70 को please combine कर दो.
हाँ.
So F2 and Pro is 1,24,000 short. Client is 1,81,000 buy. Please remember these two figures. These are contracts. Again, I tell you, these are contracts. So 1,24,000 is the total open position till yesterday. Total in all contracts, in all option contracts in the country, in the Nifty options only. Again, I repeat, in all Nifty options, in all Bank Nifty options, all weekly, all monthly, this is the total position. So we come to know the total position of the market. Okay, as on 12th May. So we show this data on the app. Please go on the app right now. Please see these two figures. Go to the app.
Yeah.
Go to the website. Right. I hope So if you see 124,618, 181,484. So that means every day we get this data, every day. So every day the entire net position of the Indian Nifty options and Bank Nifty options, again I repeat, the entire trading of weekly, monthly Bank Nifty and Bank Nifty options, this is the position. Now the secret, now I'm revealing the secret. Getting the data is not important. Now the research starts. So please listen for the next 5 minutes. How do you decide the trend? Nifty clearing ended on 30th April. Now people, it ended on 30th April. So on 30th April, the position was 10,000 contracts, 217, and client was 65,000 contracts. This was on 30th April. Okay. From 30th April, you have to go straight to 12th May. You will not see because these are all total positions. So you have to check on 30th April, they were minus 10,000 and yesterday they are 1,24,000 contracts. That means in this clearing, how many contracts have they sold? In the clearing from 30th April to 12th May, how many contracts have they sold? And clients have bought how many contracts? Please see. Now, पुराना वाला file Excel में दिखा देना अगर है तो.
हाँ.
Delete हो गया कि है?
हाँ.
Now see, this was on 30th April. Minus, it is minus because net नहीं किया, कहाँ है? Net कहाँ है इसका? Okay. So basically now you know the change. So this in the last from 30th April till 12th May, in 12 days, we have to see the change. So the change is in 12 days, F2 and Pro have sold 1,14,000 contracts and clients have bought 1,16,000 contracts. Now 1,14,000 contract, one contract value is how much? 75 into 9,000 karo na 9,400. 9,400 into 75. 1 contract is 7,05,000 value. So then how much they have sold, the net change. Please understand the secret. We are showing you step by step. They have sold 8,000 crore rupees of Nifty. Because right now, Mr. Tikam Jain, 9,400 was the closing rate for today. Yes, no. And one lot is 75 shares. This is contract. So one contract value is 7,05,000. Mr. Tikam Jain, do you understand? 75 is one contract. This is given in contracts. So they have sold 8,500 in the difference. This was when the clearing started. This is yesterday total position. Net change is this. This was client. This what is yesterday. This is the net change. The amount sold and bought. This is the understanding. Okay, net all. This is the direction. Total. Contract sold is call or put. Okay, Mr. Yogesh Gupta, I showed you. Go back एक बार फिर से दिखा दे. Mr. Yogesh Gupta, I have already made ऊपर का नहीं दिख रहा. I have already made a net of this. If you see, aha, Vikas.
Yeah. Sorry.
If you see, I have made a net. Can you see, Mr. Yogesh Kumar? Mr. Yogesh Gupta, can you see what I have done? From these four, this is Teji, this is Mandi, this is Mandi, this is Teji. So when you will do, the net will come to 181. Is it clear, not clear, Mr. Yogesh Gupta? I have done all the net position I have taken. Mr. Yogesh Gupta, please say yes or no. Clear, clear. Keshav Gyal is clear. Yogesh Gupta is clear now. Very good. Okay, understood. So this is now, once you understand this, what is going, this was yesterday night. And then in the night, Mr. Modi came. Did the market rise today? When opened, they again started selling. What is the difference between F2 Pro and client is called? There is no difference. They are all separate market participants, Mr. Mrinal Kanti Datta. They are separate market participants. Okay? Have you understood 8065 and this position? So what we did was, we did some back testing. So this, go to the app now. What is the formula of net change? What is the formula? वापस दिखा दो. Ankur Dalwadi को. Go back.
Yes.
फारसी दिखा दो उसको.
Net change is 12
minus. Which net change? You're talking of this net change, Mr. Ankur Trivedi.
12th May position minus 30th April position.
Mr. Ankur Dalwadi, can you understand the net change? Mr. Ankur, yes, okay, they understood. Okay, कर दे वापस ठीक कर दे उसको. ठीक कर दे विकास.
हाँ.
So this is the net change. Yes, sir. No, sir. Not this on the option chart. Option chart, this is the open interest. This is not an option chart. This is the entire Nifty market in all the options. This is the net figure of the entire market in India. Why have you multiplied 9400? Mr. Lata Ghosh, 9,400 is Nifty price. One contract is 75 shares. So the contract value is 7,05,000. So if you buy Nifty, you are buying 7,05,000. So that is why you need to take training of Nifty first then. Because you're asking the question which is, how can we call it Mandi? Mr. Anil Gandhi. Okay, so basically on 30th April, this was a position. On 12th May, they sold so much. I'm not sure why people, because Mr. Kamal Vora, we have to be patient because they don't understand. It doesn't know the momentum. It gives you some idea of the direction of the market. I tried adding the F2 and Pro all positive figures. Mr. T. Panicker, what have you done? Because all positive figures. This is Teji, so this will be plus. Put long is Mandi, all short is Mandi and Teji. Formula dikha de to Panicker.
This, plus this.
Can you see the, are you doing on Excel, Mr. T. Panicker? Are you doing on Excel? So can you check now? Can you see the formula? This will give you this. Yeah, that's correct. That's a very good question. So even if you see Nifty, that's a very good question, Somil. Nifty, if you see also, what is the price of Nifty?
Price of Nifty 93938.
Bank Nifty.
Bank Nifty.
Mandi is minus, correct. Yes, Mr. T. Panicker. Mandi means market will go down.
19,634.
19,634, and what is the
20.
So how much is that now? 4 lakhs.
Yeah.
So basically it is 4 lakhs because most of the contract, that's a good question. So we will not know whether it is a 7 lakh contract or a 4 lakh contract. That's a very good question, Somil. So what you can decide is we can see that
You can take average.
you can take an average.
So
That
6
is
lakh
why we
rupees.
don't show the amount of money, we only show the contracts. So one is 7 lakh, one is 4 lakh. So you can take an average of 5.5 lakhs. Thank you for pointing that out. But we don't actually show this on the app. We only see this. So if you can take the average, but Nifty is 75% what we check of the total market. So it might be about 6,000 crores also. That is why we don't show this figure. We only show this figure. Is it clear, Mr. Somil? Okay, thank you for pointing that out. I appreciate that. That's a very good question. Thank you so much. So basically what we did was go back to the app.
Yeah.
Go back to the app. So every day you will know this figure. You just need to, what you need to do this from 30th April. So when today, 30th April, so why is the difference between F2 selling and clients buying? Because you have D2 also. We don't show the D2 data, Mrinali. Mrinal Kanti Datta, we don't show the D2 data. Remember, there's another D2. Main file mein chala jao. Go to the main file. Because we don't show the D2, that's why it is 0. If you check, if you do this, it is 0. So the difference of 2000 comes with D2. They do trade very less. That is why we don't include them in the direction. Are you able to understand, Mr. Pranal Krani Danti Datta? Mr. Mrinal Kanti Datta, is the clear now because we are not showing D2 data. That is why the difference of 2000. If you do this, it is 0. Do you understand, Mr. Pranali Kanti Datta? Yes or no, please write because we have to move ahead. Yes, yes, okay, move ahead, yeah. Okay, good, thank you. So client is 8029 plus F2 is, okay, no, that is not correct, Mr. Anil Gandhi. Mr. Somil Shah corrected. We don't show you this data because we don't know how many contracts is Nifty and how many contract is Bank Nifty. Because Nifty contract value is 7 lakhs and Bank Nifty contract value is 4 lakhs. So we can take an average of 5.5 lakhs also. But we don't show the exact data. But it will be ranging between 6,000 crores to 8,000 crores. Okay, do we use 30th April as it was expiry? Yes. Yes, take from 30th April. That's correct, Mr. Jwalan. So tomorrow when we look, we will do 13th. Today you will look 13th minus 30th. That's correct. Very good. Very good, Jwalan. That's the right understanding, Johnny. Correct. Very good. So what today you will see the data from 30th April till 13th May. That's it. Because this is the total market. So you will not see in between. You will only see 30th April and today. Is it correct? Yes, no. Is it correct? Yes. Very good. So this shows that they have taken a position of 1 lakh. They have sold position. We can't repeat anymore, Mr. Rajendra Jain. I've repeated 3-4 times. Others will get disturbed. What do you want me to repeat? So on 30th April, the position was 10,000 and yesterday the position was 1,24,000. This is the total market. Okay. So that means that in this clearing, the intelligent people are selling and the client are buying. Is it clear, Mr. Rajendra Jain? Is it clear? Yes, no? Yes, 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 yes. I'm trying to go very slow and take you step by step. So please take, so once you understand this, you will know what is the position. So show the, इसमें meter आ गया क्या? Have they made the meter here?
We made the meter. No. In app.
By confusion of doing minus. What is the meaning of minus? I'm not doing any minus. That is the data of the market. Somebody has to be minus, somebody has to be plus, Mr. Rajendra Jain. I am not doing any minus. What minus are you talking about? Client is always the wrong way, Mr. Sham Ramadin. That's the correct. Client is always losing the money. Yes, today, Rajendra Jain, today died, 13 May data will come. So you will do 30th April and 13th, correct. Correct, Rajendra Jain, that's correct. Okay, so you will get to know what is the bias. So yesterday I was already showing Nifty is in a sell bias. Okay, so what we did was we did some back testing. Can you show the back testing, please?
Back tested results.
PPT only. PPT.
Yeah.
So okay, 1 second. So we have created a new strategy. Where is the strategy? I highly recommend everybody to buy this strategy, Nifty Trend Index Trend Strategy. Okay, we will show you. We did some research. Go to the PPT now. All the strategies, please buy and practice so that you are ready in the next 2-3 months to buy the stock market. So what we have seen is that whenever the change is more than 1,10,000, you should sell the market and hold till the clearing. So this is what we have done. So when they buy, okay, when they buy, you buy, when they sell, you sell. Yes, you have to trade according to F2 and Pro. That's correct, Mr. Santosh Jadhav. I like it. You've understood now. Yes, correct. Yes, correct, Mr. Amit Kapoor. Very good. Good understanding. Amit Kapoor, right. Santosh Jadhav, right. We just follow the trend movers. Correct, Mr. Johnny. Follow the intelligence. Follow the intelligent person. That's correct, Mr. Johnny. Everybody's now getting. That's correct, Mr. Nilal Kanjata. If the minus is increasing, F2s are selling. Very good. Yes, Kedar Joshi. Very good. Understood. Fantastic. Fantastic. Okay. So what we did was we did some back testing. Can you show the next slide, please?
Yeah.
So we tested about 4 years of this data. So please, what we found out that whenever the change is 1,10,000 contracts between 30th April to 12th May, there is a change. Okay. So a sales has to come. We showed the sell right in the app today.
Yeah.
It was done, not done.
Done.
Okay. So we already showed people who bought the strategy. We told them to sell Nifty morning. In the morning, we told them to sell Nifty. If they would have sold Nifty at 95.50, they would have made money already. Despite Modi giving a speech, despite gap up, we told them to sell in the app today. So we have done testing of 50 clearings and we have got a hit ratio of 40 clearings. We are right. 10 clearings, we will still be wrong. But we have a hit ratio. If you follow the strategy, you will get 80%. Okay. So this was the only 10 times you are losing money. So 40 clearings you will make money, 10 clearings you will lose money. There is no 100% strategy ever. But if you follow it regularly, you will see that you will be able to gauge and you will be always be with F2 and Pro. You will never go with the customer. Yes, Tikam Jainji. So basically, once they sell 1,10,000 contracts, what we have observed is the market remains in the sell zone till the clearing. So once, like yesterday, if you see, Can you show them?
Yesterday what?
Go back to
Yeah.
previous slide. So when will you do previous slide, please? So if you see if the change between 30th April and 12th May was sell more than 1,10,000 contracts. D2 has no value, they don't trade, they're not allowed to trade, they can only hedge. So they cannot take the market in options, Himmat Roth, so they don't make any difference. Okay, so people who will subscribe, we can give them another training. So if you buy the app or you take this strategy, we can give you more understanding. And this strategy is very good for you to buy. So if they sell, we want to buy. If they sell, we want to buy put or call. Correct, Bhavan. If they sell, we want to buy put or call, sell call. Correct, Mr. Bhavan. That's correct. Very good understanding, Mr. Bhavan. So basically, Praveen Samalkar, once you know they are in sell, then 20 till 20th May, 28th May, till the clearing, you don't buy anything, wait. So you will be able to better wait because the market may go down. So wait for it. But this is more for Nifty strategy. You should use this for Nifty strategy. Okay. So please buy this strategy. If you, who wants training on this strategy 1-to-1? Who wants training on this strategy 1-to-1? If you want training on this strategy, it's not positive value, Rajesh Chaudhary. It is the contract change. If you want 1-to-1, please give your phone number. My person can train you 1-to-1. Please give your phone numbers. Okay, Rajendra Jain. Please quickly give your phone numbers if you want 1-to-1 training. Pratik, are you online? Pratik is online or Tamal is online? Anybody?
Tamalda is online. Yeah, Pratik is also online. Tamalda is online. Yes.
Please give your phone numbers and my person can give you 1-to-1 training also. The training is free, Johnny. There is no fees for that 1-to-1 training with my person. So this training is free. This training is free. Give your number. My person can explain you this strategy. If you like it, then you buy. If you don't like it, it's fine. Please understand this strategy 1-to-1. Tamal, you understood this strategy, right? Can you put Tamal
Pratik is also online. Tamalda is also online.
Can you put Pratik and Tamal online?
Yeah, sir, you have the rights, so you can make him panels.
Tamal and Pratik, please, so many people are giving numbers. Give them 1-to-1 training on Nifty options. Make them understand this strategy. You have to take 1-to-1. We're already over time. Chetan Kumar, please give your number. My person can train you 1-to-1 if you're interested. So they will call you and they will give you training 1-to-1 for this strategy. And please buy this strategy. So thank you very much. Rest who don't want to give the numbers or who don't want training, you can please leave. Thank you so much. I recommend please buy this. This will really help you to understand Nifty. Thank you so much. You can leave. Rest, please give your number or you can leave. Thank you so much for your time. Namaste. Please give your number who want 1-to-1 training for the Nifty strategy. Rest, you can leave. We have 147 people. We humbly request you that you can leave if you don't want to give the number. The session is over. I highly recommend, please buy this strategy, take training on this, and you will really benefit. Mr. Kaushal, you can take one-to-one training. We don't send any presentation. Yes, Mr. Santosh Jadhav, that's correct. Trade as per F2 and Pro. Never get a call for Ashok Banerjee. There is always this confusion with Ashok Banerjee. He says he never gets a call. Can you give your number? I'll call you right away, Mr. Ashok Banerjee. I don't know what is the confusion. Because they say they call you. Mr. Ashok Banerjee, please, can you give your number right now? Pratik Tamal, can you please give a call? He's giving his number 98926-02608. Please, can you give him a call right away? 98926-02608. 98926-02608. Can you give him a call right now? Pratik and Tamal, please. Ashok Banerjee. Please give him a call and confirm what is the thing. Why is he not receiving it?
I have provided number to them.
Yeah. Please confirm to me, Tamal and Pratik, after you talk to him. Mr. Ashok Banerjee. Thank you, Mr. Ankur. I hope you have bought some of my strategies. You are already my customer. Sorry, 1:1. I didn't understand, Prakash Vatkar, what you're saying. The session is over. So I request everybody, either you give your number for Nifty one-to-one training. You can contact my people, Mr. Dhruv Garud. You can contact my people. You ask them any questions and then I will, if they like it, then they will contact, they will. We have 99 people. The session is over. Either you give your number if you want one-to-one Nifty training, if you're interested. If you don't want Nifty training, then you can leave the session. It's already done.